Give it here.
Yeah, it did. I hit my finger in my chest.
I got the
yeah.
through the hole in the knee. Twice.
Yeah.
We need to cover up that hole next time.
Just repeat the last round, that's it.
What?
Repeat the last round.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they are moving.
Oh shit!
That shit was good.
That wrong. I can hear bells ringing.
Have mercy. That fucker's shooting the tin, mate. Over there.
I'm gonna laugh if I'm gonna laugh if he shoots you.
Stop! Fuck!
I repeat,
I never wear a paintball mask. Today's an exception, though.
I think you just ran out of ammo.
What?
You just ran out. I just didn't say.
Who, Nick?
Yeah, you ran out. He's backing up to this,
Nick, I can see you. Hey, Tiny Tot.
Hey, Luke, how badass. Luke.
Hang on.
How badass was this one?
Oh, shit!
Jared, can I see that gun? No, he is the guy that got
Hey, Nick, you out? Good.
Nick's out, Nick's out.
Ian.
Remus, reload this.
It's tight, son.
Reload out.
Got him.
Matt, I got you in the fucking leg.
No, you got me in the finger. You want to see where you got me?
Because I hit you and it was funny.
You hit me in the finger. Yes! Oh my god! Are we done?
Yeah, that's game.
Oh my god, Jared, we won! That
was a sweet first shot of the game,
Ian,
though.
come here.
Fucking drilled Matt
I
in
got
the finger.
CCO,
I was sitting through that hole, I'm like... And then I got a little